Hello people, my name is Suhan Lala. I represent HR department of Gold Gym India. Well, my own journey has been full of surprises and mind-boggling experiences from lots of situations, like from hiring to handling employee life cycle balance. Our motto of the organization, long live the employees, long live the company. To start off with employee satisfaction or employee happiness quotient, Gold Gym India has always preferred to recruit talents who are emerging to find place or to begin their journey with. Our organization specializes in nurturing, retaining, and empowering talents. This is my experience, and I'm lucky to be the chosen one. We have always hired someone who knows his or her potential and which needs to be tapped on or guided to build long career with the brand. It's amazing to see how legacy of brand continues to handhold, mentor, and grow careers. I have witnessed an office representative transforming into facilities coordinator, a front office executive in transforming into manager position. I have witnessed employees progress in their careers from traveling from a train and to purchasing luxurious car in their life. Company motivates to work hard, earn well to fulfill their dreams. This is only possible when the senior leadership team is generous in nurturing, mentoring, and empowering the team. Mistakes are defined as learning at Gold Gym India. Gold Gym India has always made sure to keep employees happy and contained in various ways. We have devised various HR policies which are employee friendly. Prioritize work-life balance. To make sure our workforce remains engaged, we maintain work-life balance of providing weekly policy with festival offs. Apart from that, we have exclusive option off policy which are not compulsory off but are given by the company to the employees to celebrate their own small festivities or utilize it for family get-together, making employees a part of a bigger picture. The best benefit we provide to our employees is the opportunity to make difference through their work and help to guide the course of the company. Benefits such as clear and frequent communication, such as company happenings, individual and departmental direction, big picture company direction, make the all difference in employee happiness. Make career pathway. We found that providing developmental support such as training opportunities and career mentoring to the employees who do not believe there are any attractive career opportunities for them within the organization led to the employees for leaving the job opportunity throughout the company. Set the example. One can underestimate the importance of walking into the office as the boss with a smile on the face and making sure we give the same importance to other regular employees and make them feel more important and special part of the organization. Rewards and recognition. We have created many exciting and awesome rewards recognizing true blood talents of the organization and motivating them to carve their own niche like the Employee of the Month and of the Year after nomination process from various respective HODs and vertical heads. Benefits beyond the basics. We offer other benefits to the employees like inculcating various variable components which are easily done and grabbed by the employees on weekly, quarterly and monthly basis by making it as an extra source of income. Almost running 2 decades of talent, we welcome you to join us and become an own brand identity. Philosophy of the Board of Directors of Gold Gym India. If you fulfill the wishes of your employee, the employees will fulfill your vision. Truly, that's our mission at Gold Gym India. Come, join us and welcome you with open arms. Namaste.